At number 1, we have the XCH Robots Bicycle Repair Tool Kit. This is a popular maintenance solution on Amazon US with thousands of positive reviews, essential for both traditional and electric bikes. It includes a mini bike pump up to 120.
At number 2, we have the Universal Torque Arm Conversion Kit. The Universal Torque Arm Conversion Kit is an important safety upgrade for anyone building or upgrading an electric bike with a hub motor. Although it's one of the least expensive accessories for e-bike conversions, it plays a critical role in protecting both the motor axle and the bicycle frame from excessive stress. When powerful hub motors generate high torque, they can cause axle movement inside the dropout, potentially damaging the frame or even causing a wheel failure. This torque arm reinforces the dropout area and securely locks the motor axle in place, significantly improving its long-term reliability. The kit is made from durable steel with
At number 3, we have the Pexmor Electric Bike Conversion Kit, Amazon's most popular way to transform any bike into a high-performance e-bike. Powered by a 48V1200.EW brushless motor, it delivers speeds of up to 36 mph with quiet, efficient operation. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: a smart controller, LCD display, throttle, brake levers, and a pre-laced wheel. The smart LCD display gives you real-time data at a glance, while the pedal assist system offers multiple riding modes for any terrain. From commuting to fitness rides, the Pexmor kit offers an outstanding combination of speed, performance, and unbeatable value.
At number 4, we have the Bafang Mid Drive Conversion Kit. The Bafang Mid Drive Conversion Kit is widely regarded as one of the best premium electric bike conversion systems available today. Designed for serious cyclists, commuters, and off-road riders, this mid-drive motor provides exceptional climbing ability, excellent efficiency, and natural riding performance. Unlike traditional hub motor kits, the Bafang motor transfers power directly through the bicycle's drivetrain, allowing riders to utilize the bike's gears for maximum efficiency. This results in stronger hill climbing performance, better battery utilization, and improved weight distribution. The kit is available in multiple motor options, including 500W, 750W, and 1000W, allowing riders to choose the power level that best matches their needs. With torque reaching up to 160 Nm, it easily handles steep hills, heavy loads, and challenging off-road terrain. Most kits include the motor, controller, display, crank arms, chainring, and installation hardware. Buyers can also choose different LCD displays and battery configurations depending on their riding preferences. Cyclists appreciate the smooth pedal assist, impressive acceleration, quiet motor operation, and excellent build quality. Although installation is more involved than a hub motor kit, the performance benefits make it one of the most highly recommended conversion systems available. For riders seeking premium quality, maximum efficiency, and professional-level performance, the Bafang Mid Drive Kit remains one of the top choices on Amazon US.
At number 5, we have the Tacklife Electric Bike Conversion Kit. It's an excellent choice for riders who want a balance between affordability, performance, and everyday reliability. The kit is powered by a 48V1000W brushless hub motor, providing smooth acceleration, quiet operation, and dependable long-distance performance. Included components feature an intelligent controller, LCD display, throttle, brake levers, pedal assist sensor, and conversion wheel. The pedal assist system and throttle give you control, while the LCD display clearly shows speed, battery, and riding mode. Users praise the kit's strong motor performance and solid construction. It's a great value for daily commuting and